Students, on the board we are starting with a new type, a very important type, type 5, problems on age. Here are the questions with age we are dealing with. Before starting with the actual type, I'll give you a note. Whenever you come across with a question which deals with age, then you should always know this factor, that whenever you come across with the word hence, or I'll say after, especially in the sums of age, it means plus. And whenever you come across with some words like ago or before, then it means minus. Okay, so please pause the video and copy this note. Hence and after means plus, ago and before means minus. Okay, let's start with this question. The question on the board, students, was asked in the year 2007. 2007. So it's a board's question asked in 2007. Let's understand each and everything, students, starting with the solution. Okay. 5 years ago. Whenever you read this term 5 years ago means, I'll translate in Hindi, we are talking 5 साल पहले. We are talking about 5 साल पहले. 5 years ago. Ago means 5 साल पहले. Woman's age was square of her son's age. Then full stop. So one condition got completed. Then 10 years hence. In Hindi 10 साल बाद. Hence means after 10 years. So some other condition is starting now. 10 years hence, and then the next condition is given. So before reading the next condition after full stop, I need to first evaluate something about the first condition. Now if you closely observe this phrase, this statement, woman's age was square of her son's age. Once again I repeat, woman's age was, here was means equal to, woman की age कितनी थी? Woman's age was square of her son's age. Can I say woman की age is dependent on the son? So I'll assume the age of son as x. But students, very very important, whatever I am doing right now belongs to the 5 years ago wala condition. Whatever we are reading is after the comma, and before the comma the condition is 5 years ago. So what to write? See the solution. What to write? I'll write 5 years ago, the heading. Let the age of son, first I'll suppose the age of son, because woman's ka age is dependent on son. Of course 5 years ago wala we are talking about, because entire thing is after the comma, and the main is 5 years ago. Let the age of son, of course 5 years ago, because in the heading I wrote 5 years ago. Let the age of son is equal to x years. So present age of the son is not x years. 5 साल पहले, 5 years ago, the age of the son is x years. We are assuming. Therefore, age of woman. Now we are determining the age of woman. कभी की age? 5 years ago. Don't forget, 5 years ago. Woman's age was means equal to square of her son's age. We suppose the age of son as x, so square of her son's age, x square years. Okay, great. So we got to know the conditions, that 5 साल पहले, 5 years ago, age of son was x years and age of woman was x square years. Okay, now we are done with that part. Now let's read ahead. Full stop. 10 years hence. Now very important, 10 साल बाद, 10 years hence means 10 साल बाद. So from when you will take 10 years? Now let me give you one example over here. For example, right now we are in the era of 2020. Now when I say 5 years ago, let us say this 5 years ago wala condition. First I spoke about 5 years ago. So that means you are talking about 2015. Okay, the next condition is like 10 years hence. 10 years hence. So now 10 years hence is not from this 2015. 10 years hence is always from 2020. So it will be 2030. 10 years hence जो आया वो 2015 से कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे. It will be calculated from the present year. This is very important. So this 10 years hence मतलब 10 साल बाद. कभी से 10 साल बाद? 5 साल पहले से 10 साल बाद नहीं, प्रेजेंट से 10 साल बाद. I repeat again, if my present year is 2020, my 5 years ago will be 2015. 5 साल पहले 2015. Now if it is given to me that 10 years hence, this does not mean कि 2015 के अंदर plus 10 करेंगे. No, we will add plus 10 always from the present year. So plus 10 from here. So whenever any condition is given, it will be from the present age. It will be from the present age. So do you know the present ages? No, we don't know the present ages. So what we will do? First we have to find the present age. That's the reason this question is very, very important. This question is very important. So first I'll write their present age. I'll write the heading present age over here. 5 years before, for example, I'm giving you one example. If 5 years before I was 20 years of old, my age was 20 years, 5 years before. So what will be my present age? So can I say 5 साल पहले, if I was 20 years of old, present age of mine will be what? Plus 5, which comes to be 25 years. Because 5 साल पहले से अगर present age पे आते हैं, so we should add 5. So that means 20 plus 5 comes to 25, right? So the same logic will be applying over here. Present age. Present age. Now we are talking about present age. The heading is present age. So age of son. 5 years before, son was X years of old. So now the present age will be plus 5. So X plus 5 years. Therefore, present age of woman will be how much? 5 years before she was X square years of old. Now it will be X square plus 5 years. Okay. Now students, in the question they did not tell us to find the present age. But why did we find? The reason was we need to find the 10 years hence. 10 years hence ka age. 10 years after ka age. So 10 years after we should always calculate from the present age. So that's the reason we calculated present age. So this is the point where you all make mistake. Directly after 5 years you go to 10 years. But we should find first the present age. Okay. So now I'll put the heading 10 years hence. That means after 10 years from the present age. It's by default from the present age. So age of son. Age of son will be how much? Age of son will be, present age of son is X plus 5. So after 10 years he will be X plus 5 plus 10. So X plus 5 plus 10 becomes X plus 15 years. And age of woman will be X square plus 5 plus 10. So X square plus 15 years. Yes. So we got 10 years hence ka age. Now pay attention on the board. All of you please pay attention. 10 years hence, comma. Comma means now whatever is we have after comma belongs to 10 years hence wala age. So जो कुछ भी we will read after the comma, we will not look on this 5 years ago wala age. We will not look on the present age. We will only deal with this orange color 10 years hence wala age. Okay, see here. 10 years hence, her age will be, here will be means equal to sign. Here will be means equal to sign. Her age. What is her age? So as per given condition, as per given condition, as per given condition, her age. What is her age? Of course 10 years after wala age. Her age, woman ka age, X square plus 15 is X square plus 15. Will be means equal to sign. Will be twice that. Twice means 2 multiplied. Twice means 2 multiplied. Will be 2 multiplied. किससे? That of her son's age. Son's की age. Which age? Of course 10 years hence wala age. So x plus 15. X plus 15. So students, we got this. Now we just have to solve it further. So at present I don't have place down over here. We just have to make in the format of quadratic. So pause the video and please start with the question. Okay students, now for the better understanding, I have written 5 years ago wala ages over here because I erased one from the board, and present ages of son and woman over here, and our final condition which we got down at the bottom of the board, I copied it over here. Okay, so 5 years ago wala age is here, present age is here for the further reference, and this is a equation which we got. Okay, now let's start students. Therefore x square plus 15 is equal to 2 multiplied by x is 2x plus 2 15s are it's 30. Therefore x square plus 15 minus 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 2x plus 15 minus 30 is minus 15 is equal to 0. So that means what we want now? What we want? We need two numbers such that their product is minus 15. And when the same two numbers whose product is minus 15, if we add those two numbers, their summation should be minus 2 because here minus 2 is written. So now we want minus 15 as the product. If I say 5 3s are minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 multiplied by plus 3 is minus 15. Minus 5 and plus 3 is minus 2. Great. So now students, I will not write this middle term minus 2x because we are splitting the middle term. At the place of this minus 2x, I'll write minus 5x and I'll write plus 3x. This x square will be copied as it is x square, and this minus 15 will be copied as it is minus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore now x common. If I remove x common, x minus 5 plus 3 common. So this will be x minus 5. Okay, 3 common. So 3 5s is 15 is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 common. Therefore x minus 5 and x plus 3, because you have x and here plus 3 is remaining, is equal to 0. Therefore either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore value of x will be 5 and value of x will be minus 3. But students, see here carefully. Over here when x is equal to minus 3, what is x? X is the present, x is 5 years ago wala age. X is 5 years ago wala age of son, and age cannot be negative. So x ka value cannot be minus 3. So I will write as x belongs to age. Therefore x cannot be equal to minus 3. Therefore x cannot be equal to minus 3. So we'll go with this answer, that value of x is equal to 5. Okay, now let's write what is required. The first part, we need to find age of son 5 years ago. So I'll write here 1. Age of son 5 years ago. 5 years ago is how much? Is termed as x, is equal to x, and is equal to value of x is 5 years. So this is our first answer, that age of son 5 years ago is x years. Okay, now second one, I'll write here the second one. Second one is present age of woman. Present age. Okay, the present age of woman. Present age of woman is equal to, what's the present age? We had supposed here, we had written here, present age of woman is x square plus 5. X square plus 5. Okay, so let me write it down. I'm erasing this part. So present age of woman is x square plus 5. So I'll write here x square plus 5 is equal to value of x is 5, which we are considering. So 5 ka square becomes 25 plus 5 is equal to 30 years. Okay, so age of son 5 years ago is 5 years and present age of woman is 30 years. Now students, on the board we have another question from type 5. Type 5 is problems on ages. This is the second question on age. Exactly same. There is no variety. The only thing is just you need to decode the words like ago and hence. That's it. Okay, let's start. Let's read it. 4 years ago. Okay, so this is the condition. 4 years ago, a father's age was means equal to. Yes, was means equal to. So 4 years ago, comma, that means whatever we have, the given condition after the comma, it's not a normal condition. It is the condition which belongs to the criteria of 4 years ago. Yes. So father's age was means equal to square of his daughter's age. So father की age is equal to square of daughter's age. But which age? Which age? 4 years ago wali age. Because the condition is after the comma, and before the comma we have 4 years ago. So the first thing will be, we should know the 4 years ago wali age. We should know that. And second thing I'd like to highlight over here, that father's age is what? Square of daughter's age. So directly I cannot know the age of father. Father की age is dependent on daughter's age. जो भी daughters की age होगी, उसका square is the father's age. Okay, so I'll say here, let 4 years ago age of daughter be X years. Let 4 years ago age of daughter be X years. I have supposed the age for daughter because father ki age is dependent on the age of daughter. Therefore 4 years ago age of father will be how much? It's given here. A father's age was means equal to how much? Square of daughter's age. We suppose that daughter ka age 4 years ago is X. So father ki age will become X ka square. Yes, X square years. So up till now we got to know that daughter ki age 4 years ago is X. So 4 years ago father ki age becomes X square. Okay, fine. It's a full stop here. Let's read ahead. 9 years hence. 9 years hence. 9 साल बाद. 9 years hence. So what happens? Again I'll say the same old story. That for example 4 years ago. Now we are in 2020. 4 years ago means I am in 2016. Okay. At present we are in 2020. When I say 4 years ago, so what I did, I deducted 4 from 2020, so I got 2016. Then 9 years hence, you will not calculate 9 years hence from 2016. You will always calculate all the data from the present age. So 9 years hence means 9 years hence from 2020, it will be plus 9, so it becomes 2029. In all the questions of ages, whenever the data is given 3 years ago, 3 years before, 4 years after, 4 years hence, all the calculations are from the present age. But at the start we were not aware about the present age, so we supposed assumptions were depending upon 4 years ago wali ages. But after that, when they have written 9 years hence, so that 9 years hence will not be, of course you all know that hence means plus, baad mein, hence means baad mein. So 9 plus I will not do in the age of 4 years ago. First I will find the present age, then from at this I will do plus 9 and I'll get the age 9 years hence. So next I need to find present age. This is important. Okay, so I'll erase the stuff on the board. Now first I'll find the present age. So finding out now the present age. I'll write here the title, present age. Okay, so I have given a title over here, present age. Age of daughter. Age of daughter. Students, it's very simple. 4 साल पहले 4 years before, daughter was X years of old. So 4 साल पहले she was of X years. Now present age means after 4 years. It's but natural. So present age of daughter will become X plus 4 years. Similarly now, age of father. Of course, present age. In the title of present age, age of father. Father, 4 years ago, he was of X square years. So now at present, I have to just do plus 4. So X square plus 4 years. Oh, amazing. We got 4 years ago wali ages of daughter and father. We got present ages of daughter and father. Now coming to the point. Once again, 9 years hence. Hence means plus. 9 years hence. Of course from the present age. Nobody will tell you from the present age. Okay. So I'll write the title 9 years hence. 9 years hence. Age of daughter will be plus 9 from the present age. So present age of daughter is X plus 4. So X plus 4 plus 9 will become X plus 13. So X plus 13 years. Yes. Also, age of father will be present age is X square plus 4. X square plus 4 plus 9 becomes X square plus 13 years. Yes. So I got to know the 9 years hence wala ages. Now I'll write as per given condition. As per given condition. Okay, now let's form the conditions. All of you, eyes on the board, all of you. 9 years hence, then there is a comma. That means whatever we have after the comma belongs to the criteria of the 9 years hence wali ages. His age, his means here the father. His age will be, here the word will be means equal to sign. His age, 9 years hence wala father ka age is nothing but X square plus 13. His age will be means equal to 2 more. The word more means plus. So 2 plus. To whom? To whom we should add 2? 2 more. Then thrice. Thrice means 3 multiply. Twice means 2 multiply. Thrice means 3 multiply. 2 more. To whom? Then thrice. So 3 multiply. His daughter's age. Which wali age of daughter? Of course 9 years hence wala age. So thrice 3 multiply his daughter's age. His daughter's age 9 years hence is X plus 13. So X plus 13. Okay, we got. And if you understand this up till here, you can pause the video and you can just start. I can say 80% of the sum is solved up till here. So we got a condition over here on the board. The condition is X square plus 13 is equal to 2 plus 3 into X plus 13. Now let's solve. Therefore, X square plus 13 is equal to 2 plus 3 into X becomes 3X plus 3 into 13 becomes 39. Okay, now let's bring all the side from right hand side to left hand side. So therefore X square plus 13 as it is minus 2 minus 3X minus 39 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore X square as it is X square, and I have one term with X, so it's minus 3X. It's minus 3X. Okay, and then I have two terms with minus sign. Here I have minus 2 and here I have minus 39. Minus 2 and minus 39 comes to what? Minus 2 and minus 39 comes to minus 41. Minus minus adds. Okay, so it comes to minus 41. Okay, minus 41 and plus 13. So I have to add 13. So minus plus is minus only. Okay, so I get 11 minus 3. It is what? 8. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Of course, minus 28 I'll get. So I'll get minus 28 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic. Yes, this is a quadratic. X square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 0. I don't have placed down over here. You can pause the video and start. So students, I have copied my quadratic over here. And because I have erased the entire board and we need to find over here their present ages. So I have just copied down on the right hand side top here the present ages which we had find already. So x square minus 36 minus 3x minus 28 is a quadratic. Okay, now let's start. We need two numbers such that their product is minus 28. Yes, because here we have minus 28. We need two numbers such that their product is minus 28, and when we add the same two numbers whose product is minus 28, we should get minus 3. So now 28, let's break 28. 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. Okay, and 2 2s are is 4. So can I say I want minus 28 the product? Okay, so 7 4s are, and I'll put minus 7 and plus 4. Minus 7 multiply by plus 4, I'll get minus 28. I'll get the product minus 28. And when minus 7 and plus 4 are added, we get minus 3. So now students, as we are splitting the middle term, we will not write this middle term. At the place of this minus 3x, I will write minus 7x, and I will write plus 4x. This x square will be copied as it is, so x square, and this minus 28 will be copied as it is, so minus 28. Therefore x common, so this will be x minus 7 plus 4 common, so x minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 7 common from the entire line, and here x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore either x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x ka value is 7 or x ka value is minus 7. But I will say that x belongs to a age. Therefore x cannot be equal to minus 4. X cannot be equal to minus 4. So we are not considering this. We will be considering this answer as positive 1. Okay, so we got the value of x as 7. Okay, but if you find up till here, you will get 1 marks less, because what is asked? Here see what's asked. Find their present ages. And from the previous board I have copied here their present ages. Therefore we have to write the full sentence. Present age of daughter is equal to, it's x plus 4. X plus 4 is equal to, value of x is 7. So 7 plus 4 is equal to, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 years. Okay, and present age of father is equal to x square plus 4. X square plus 4 is equal to x ka square. Our value of x is 7. So 7 ka square becomes 49 plus 4 is equal to 53 years. 53 years. So we got the present ages. Present age of, the word present is important. You have to write it. It's compulsory. Present age of daughter is 11 years and present age of father is 53 years. Thank you, students.